Hi, Adrian here from Tradeology, and today I want to discuss in this short video the subject of controlling your emotions. What we have to do as traders is to learn to deal with the emotions of winning and losing. We need to accept that losses can and do happen. We need to learn to manage consecutive losing trades, and we can't become overconfident as traders. There are a few tips that will help you become better at controlling your emotions, all of which apply to what I've just mentioned. We need to learn something new about trading each day. We need to build up our confidence. We need to be as objective as possible when looking at trading. We need to perform some in-depth market research. We want to be sure that what we're trading makes sense to us and why it makes sense. We need to trade a demo account or a practice account. The more we practice, the easier it becomes to trade because we've taken the emotion out. We know why we're trading and we know what to expect. You must have a business plan, but a plan lets you set goals and you can follow it step by step. It takes the emotions out of trading. Try to analyze your reactions and what caused them. Make a note. If you found that you were particularly angry after a trade or were looking at a trade and wondering why you had lost, what actually happened when you were busy trading? Did you just have an argument with your spouse, with your kids? Were you out for a few drinks and perhaps not thinking too clearly? Did you just wake up? Was there something that disturbed you, phone call or something else? Try and see what caused your reactions. Don't trade when your pride or ego are making you break your own trading rules. You've got to follow the system. Don't let your pride wreck your account. Don't be too proud to close a losing trade. If that's what the system or rules call for you to conserve your account and minimize your risk, then that's what you should do. Leave your ego at the door. Think about what you're doing and why. Don't get angry with the market. The market is there. It'll always be there. You can't fight it. So look at it objectively. Don't let desire for big trades cloud your judgment. Stick to your plan. Never underestimate the power of emotions or psychology. It is a crucial part of trading where a lot of traders fail. If you get your emotions under control while you're trading, that's a huge step forward in being a successful trader.
Thanks again for watching, and please remember to subscribe to our channel below to receive notifications so whenever a new video is released you don't miss any. And again, for a free system, also check out our link in that description below.